What's up, Shop Nation? Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and I wanted to share 5 shop essentials that I've come across over the past year of building out my shop that I think you might find useful. So with the holidays rapidly approaching, I figured it'd be a good idea to pause and to reflect on 5 items that I found really useful in my shop. Now, every item I'm going over is under $50, so you can easily buy this for yourself or a loved one this holiday season, or if you're like me and my wife, we just buy our own Christmas gifts and then write their name on it. So to get started, in no particular order, we're going to start with the SBM Switch. Now, if you've watched my channel at all, you know that dust collection and automation has been a hot topic over the past year. Now, this is the same model that I'm using in the workbench. I used a little bit different setup when we just did the lower cabinet dust collection, but either one would have worked. This SBM Switch is awesome. It is just under 50 bucks. It's easy to use, it's reliable, and it works great. What makes this product awesome is that you can actually use 2 15-amp circuits to run a larger dust collector or a larger table saw. And of course, it handles the delayed start and stop of the dust collector and whatever tool you're using. So overall, awesome tool, keeps you from tripping your breakers, keeping you working longer. Next up on the list is this little Wixie angle gauge. Now, you've probably seen me use this in several videos, and it comes in really handy. Now, in all the videos, I think I've only been using it on the table saw, but you can use it on any tool setup. You can use it on the bandsaw, on a disc grinding table, you could use it on your miter saw, and the list goes on. But it is extremely small, it's compact, it's easy to throw in a drawer and easily accessed, and it makes the setup process that much faster. So, highly recommended. So next up is one of my personal favorites, and that is this little Incra Rule. It is, in my opinion, an essential tool for laying out projects. The way that it works is really simple. It's got a flat edge that you reference against the part. You stick your pencil into one of the graduated marks, and then you draw a perfectly straight and parallel line. I'm telling you, I have noticed a significant difference in the amount of time it takes to lay out measurements. Highly recommend. Great stocking stuffer, by the way. Also, they have a 12-inch version. I do have the 12-inch as well as the 6-inch. I'll tell you that I use the 6-inch a whole lot more, but it is nice having the 12-inch. So, peace of mind. I believe both of these are under $50 as well. Next tool on the list is this little quick change Countersink Bit. Now, it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but I'm telling you, it is super useful. What this tool essentially does is that when you're using screws in your projects, it turns 2 tools into 1. So on one side, you have a drill and countersink bit. Now, you can change out this bit to whatever shank size screw you're using, which makes it really versatile. And then with one simple action, you flip around the bit and now you have a driver. In this case, it's a Phillips, but you can change this out for whatever bit you want. Now, this particular one I'm showing is a Cobalt brand. The one I have linked below is a different brand, but it is the exact same thing. So if you see yourself in your shop countersinking and using screws quite a bit, highly recommend it. And last but not least is a product that I haven't actually shown in the shop yet. However, this thing is awesome. This is a product by a company called Wall Control. And this ain't your grandpa's pegboard. This is a modular solution for wall storage. So these panels come in both horizontal and vertical configurations, and they come in colors. Now, this is just plain galvanized, but they have orange, yellow, black, blue, whatever color you want. Now, what I really like about this product, aside from the fact that it just looks great, is that it replaces some of the downsides of using things like pegboard. Now, pegboard wears out, and you also have to offset it from the wall. This product is the all-in-one. So if you look how it's made, it actually spaces it out from the wall so that when you hang your hangers in, there's space for the hanger to fall in behind. Now, as you can imagine, there are all kinds of accessories that go with this product. Lots of different kinds of hooks, tool hanging accessories, and even shelving. So these panels are very inexpensive. I believe you can get 2 of them for under $50. And another really great thing about this product is that it is all made in the USA, which I think is really cool. If you're watching this channel, you like shop organization, at least in theory. So go check these out. So a bonus item, under $50, that makes a great gift, is a Shop Nation t-shirt. I mean, come on. I've got several different options up on my store. They're all available through Teespring. You can also head to my website on the swag section and check them out there. So every product that we went through will be linked below. That's just about gonna do it. Thank you, Shop Nation, for watching. Happy holidays, and keep pursuing shop greatness.